So the next line, anybody can figure out what that means?
Elif?
Yeah.
Elif?
It goes with if, that's right.
So, if you can... Wait, where is it?
Okay, I'll tell you. You ready?
Yeah.
If, else if.
Oh, like or else if.
Yes,
Like,
good.
It,
Look at my original code and then look at the code that I just put in.
it's ELIF.
So else if, we don't want two ifs, it's going to get the computer all mixed up.
The accelerometer like senses something. It can
Senses what?
senses
We're just looking at that first line.
a gesture, or in this case, like it moving left.
What's going to happen?
It will show an arrow to the west or left. It will say go left. It will do it
Or?
left.
So why do we need that part of the code?
Or so it gets the message. So if it gets the message, it will use it will point the arrows.
Yeah. You're up to, Reyes.
I'm on the stop one.
Side? Yeah. Did you get other side? Yes. Did you get up? Skull? Wait. Did you get skull? Wait. Okay, I'm gonna give you. Did you get skull? Yes, I got skull. Did you get happy?
No.
Okay.
Let's see. I think it's something wrong with our code. I see a skull. Okay.
Okay, straight.
Yep.
Okay. This is fun.
Steven's having a hard time finding it.
Yeah, I hit it well.
Got to follow him or it won't talk to it. Are you giving him smiley faces and skulls?
Yeah.
Oh, the arrow's this way. Over here? Trash can. Found it.